Most barbed wire looks fake. Too clean, too perfect, too safe. But the grimdark future's brutal. Nothing survives untouched. So in the next 2 minutes, we'll show you how to make barbed wire that's actually forged by war. So, in order to make barbed wire that actually feels intimidating, all you need are a few simple tools. Start by cutting yourself a length of wire, then fold it in half and twist the loose ends together. Take the twisted end and lock it tightly into your drill. Then slide a paintbrush handle or even a toothpick through the loop on the opposite end. Now slowly press the trigger and let the wire twist itself together. Don't worry about imperfections here, because the uneven tension, bends and the slight warping is what's going to make it feel real. Now, cut another length of wire, roughly twice the length of your twisted strand. Take the end of that wire, loop it around the tip of your pliers, and wrap it 3 or 4 times. Now slide the pliers free, flip the wire, and repeat the process all the way down. Take your wire cutters and snip the ends of those loops. That's what's going to create those aggressive little barbs. And the less uniform they are, the more intimidating the final wire is going to feel. Because real barbed wire isn't precise. It's rough, twisted, and violent. And just like that, you've got barbed wire that actually looks like it was forged by war. Thanks for watching, guys. If this video helped, don't forget to drop a like and a comment, and subscribe for more grimdark techniques that make your models feel real.